Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and since you're new here, obviously you have not subscribed to my channel, so you need to subscribe. And if you're old and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Like, you need to subscribe to my channel right now. So today we'll be doing a hair review on this Aliexpress vendor here. This hair is from Maxglam and they are an Aliexpress vendor. So let's get into the description of the hair and then we'll get into the review. So it is a premium Brazilian virgin hair straight human hair weave, 4 bundles and 1 closure. So it came in a bundle where you got 3 hairs and the closure, and then I bought another bundle of hair to ensure that it was this full, because it wasn't this full when I did just the 3 bundles and the closure. So I wanted it to be a little bit fuller because I like my hair on the heavier density, so that's why I purchased another one. And with the bundle deal plus the other bundle that I purchased, it came up to $243.02. So yeah, it's a bit pricey for an AliExpress vendor. However, when we get in the review, we'll understand why, or understand a bit more why it is worth the price. So let's get straight into it. As you already know, if you have watched review on my channel, we have a list of 10 items that must meet the qualification to get the 10 stars, and we'll go through them and give them the star if they deserve it. So let's scoot over so that our stars can be right here, and let's start with longevity of the hair. So I'm looking for a pen so I do not give them points where they don't deserve points and take off points where they don't, so we can add it up in the end. Pen that I was looking for. So the first item is longevity of the hair. So I purchased this hair last year, and I do believe that it will last for a while, because I did purchase hair from Maxglam before and I have had it for over a year, probably 2, and so I definitely do believe that this hair can last a while. Does it take bleach well? Definitely, because I did bleach this hair around 4 times. It may be coming off as black at this moment. However, the color that it is in at the moment is a black purple. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it has purple and black. That's what I was going for. The purple pinkish hair that I had on my channel that I dyed, this is definitely the hair. I just changed the color. So yes, I've dyed this hair around 4 times, and it does take the dye properly. Does it take heat well? As the description said, it is a straight hair. However, I'm not sure if I like straight hair on me, but I did purchase it. I haven't worn it straight to know whether or not I like it straight. However, it does take a curl well. I've had this curl for probably 2 weeks now, 2 or 3 weeks, and I've worn this hair to the gym. I've worn this hair out in the night time. I've slept in this hair even though it's a wig, and the curls are still popping. What's popping? The curls are still popping. So I do believe that it can definitely take a curl well. It definitely can take a curl well, and it does like heat. So yes. Texture, curl and pattern. So for the texture, it is a Brazilian hair, and the curl pattern, or the pattern of the hair, is straight. It does revert back to being straight after being washed, and I definitely can flat iron it and it goes back straight. So yes, I do believe that it is all of the above. The texture is Brazilian and the curl pattern is definitely straight. Length and density. So this hair Density, I wouldn't say that I can figure out the density because it's not a wig. However, the bundles that I received, they were not thin, but they were basically average density. And as I stated before, I purchased another bundle because I like big hair. And for the length that I purchased, oh, did I tell you guys the length that I purchased? I don't think so, but I purchased two 20s at 18 and 16, the 16 closure. You can definitely run the measuring tape through the back part, but for the front part I cannot because I did cut some of the front to shape it to my face. And then this is the 20. It reached basically, I'm trying to get it there, it reached 21 and some change, if you can see. So as I stated, I shaped up the front, so I'm not sure if the measurement for the front would be off, but I did measure it when I received the hair and they were not off. They were definitely a bit longer than the length that I was supposed to receive. Does the hair shed? All hair sheds, like it or not, all hair sheds, but it has a minimum amount of shedding, which I am okay with, like, because all hair sheds. So minimum amount of shedding, that's okay with me. Does the hair tangle? So this hair, I would believe I can say it does not tangle easily. It is not easily tangled. You would definitely have to put this hair through hell. As I said before, I've worn this hair to the gym, I've slept in it, and I've worn it out. Like, if you live in Jamaica, you know that it's very hot, like extremely hot, and it's easy to get knots at the back of your hair, and this hair completely doesn't do that. This hair doesn't tangle that easily. Did it ship on time? It definitely did ship on time. It even shipped earlier than on time. Like, I purchased the hair and the seller sent it out like immediately. It left and reached within 3 days. Like, who does that? This is not a sponsored video where they sent me hair. Like, I purchased this hair with my own moolah. So the next one on my list is the hair worth the price? I would definitely say the hair is worth the price, even though it might be a little bit pricey for some people, because $243 is a bit pricey. However, if you want quality hair on Aliexpress, I do think you have to go to a vendor who sells hair for a bit more, which people don't understand. But if you want quality hair, because as I stated before, I've purchased hair from them already, and I've had that hair for over 2 years. So I'm just saying, it has to be quality if it lasted for that time. So quality over quantity, that's what I always say, and with quality you'll have to pay more for it. So is it worth it? Definitely worth the price. Service. The service was more than extraordinary, because when I purchased this item, I'm not sure if it is even available anymore, because I noticed that most AliExpress vendors are selling their hair like one bundles only. So, but if it's still there, I'll put the link down in the description box. However, the service was extraordinary because at the time, the length that I wanted, they did not carry. But what the vendor did for me was he or she, I'm not sure because it's always a grace. So she told me to choose lengths that were like 22 and 20, so that it would be around the same price range, and then they would give me back my money that it went over by. And they definitely did that. They actually changed the amount and then sent me the proper length of hair, which was like amazing. How many sites can you actually talk to their customer service and then you get something like that? So yes, that was extraordinary. service to me, and then they did stick with me throughout all the time the package was supposed to come to me. So throughout all the time, they would text me and be like, hey, we just sent out your package. Hey, your package has just been delivered, and please confirm that your package, you have received the package. Is the hair up to par? Do you like the hair? Etc, etc. So it was basically good customer service. So their customer service was excellent. And actually, that's the end of the hair review. Like, I love this hair. That's the end of the hair review, and this is some amazing hair for what it's been through. Because as I stated before, I dyed it around 4 times, and I've worn it blonde, I've worn it purple pink, and now I'm wearing it dark purple with black. Oh, and guys, if you want to see this makeup look that I have on my face, it is definitely on my channel under daytime look for Valentine's Day, if that's what I named it, but I'll definitely put that in the description box as well. So this here in total got 10 stars. Like, it got 10 stars because it's excellent hair. Like, I do actually love this hair. It did say it's unavailable on the website because I just clicked on it. So guys, I'm so sorry, it's unavailable, but you can definitely buy the bundles separate from the closure on the site, which I might put in the description box. But yeah, it's no longer available this way. Or maybe you can just buy the closure, because they sell the closure separate and then they sell the bundles separate, so you can just buy it that way. Definitely a must have here, Maxglam here. If you're an Aliexpress type of girl for hair, definitely go to Maxglam hair, because I've never been disappointed with Maxglam hair. And it's not like they know that I am a YouTuber, or because at the time I purchased this hair I was not on YouTube. So I'm just saying, they didn't give me good hair because, oh, she has a YouTube channel, oh, she told me she had a YouTube channel and she's going to do a hair review. I purchased this hair on my own. This is not a sponsored video, and I got great hair. And that's just it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I do hope you have a great day.